Emergence of new states. That's the next topic that we are going to study. When the Mughal Empire started declining, the immediate result was that all the big officers, that is the nobles, the jagirdars, all these people started becoming independent of the Mughal Empire. That is, they were carving out independent states of their own. Thus, the big Mughal Empire started becoming less and lesser every day, and there was the emergence of small new states headed by the already zamidar, the noble or the jagirdar. Now here we are going to talk about the few states which gained independence at this time. The first state to become independent was Hyderabad. Nizamul Mulk Asaf Jah founded the state of Hyderabad and laid the foundation of Asaf Jahi dynasty. He was made the governor of Awadh in the beginning and later given the charge of Deccan. Slowly, Nizamul Mulk Asaf Jah started becoming very powerful and he started taking decisions on his own without consulting the Mughal emperor. Now, he had to fight major battles against Marathas and the British to see that the state of Hyderabad remains intact. But it was due to the efforts of Nizamul Mulk Asaf Jah that the new state of Hyderabad was created, which was independent of the Mughal hold. The second state to become independent was Awadh. Burhanul Mulk founded the state of Awadh and he was in fact made the Subedar in 1722 of Awadh, and slowly he became very powerful because he alone held the responsibility of the three main offices, that is the Subedari, the Diwani and the Jagirdari. So whether it was collecting the revenue, whether it was the military responsibility or it was granting of jagirs to other landlords, he was solely responsible. Thus, he became very powerful. Now, when he stabilized himself in Awadh, he realized that now he had to weaken the position of the Mughal emperors in Awadh. That is why he took the following measures to see that his position gets strengthened and the Mughal emperors become weak in the region. First of all, he reduced the jagirdaris of all those nobles, of all those jagirdars who had been given the jagirdari by the Mughal emperors, because they were more loyal to the Mughal emperor, and instead now he appointed new jagirdars and thus they became more loyal towards the new powerful authority that they had in Awadh, that is Burhanul Mulk. In order to keep a check on the jagirdars, he continuously checked their accounts and kept himself always updated about what was happening in the empire. Now, slowly and gradually, he realized that the local bankers which were there in Awadh were very powerful people, and thus he started selling the right to collect taxes to the highest bidder. Thus, in the court, the new people who emerged powerful were the money lenders and the bankers.